Hello my friends and welcome back. On this video tutorial we're going to talk about the array type in JavaScript. Arrays in JavaScript, like other programming languages, they are ordered lists of data, but they can hold different data type values into their positions. For example, we can create an array that on its first position it holds a number, on its second position it can hold a string, on its third it can hold an object, and so on. I write them. So arrays are ordered lists of data. Arrays can hold different data type values. Okay, how we create arrays? There are two main ways to create an array. One way is to use the array constructor. For example, var my array1 equals new operator array parenthesis semicolon. I just created an array with the array constructor. Okay, if we know how many items our array is going to hold, we can pass it as an argument on the constructor. For example, var my array2 equals new array, and into the constructor I pass the number 15. Now I have created an array with 15 items. Okay, whatever else, if I pass here separated by comma, it would mean that we have an array with that values. For example, if I create a new array, var my array3 equals new array 15 comma separated 25, I just have created an array with two items, the 15 and 25. As I said before, we can hold different data types, different data type values on our arrays. For example, var my array4 equals new array, and I pass into the constructor the values. For example, 120, the string hello world, and an object, var my car equals new object my car. I have created an array object with three different data type values, but we can as well leave out the new operator. It is not wrong. Omit the new operator. It is valid. Var my array5 equals array 15. Create an array with 15 items. Okay. The second way to create array objects is to use array literal. To do that, we use the square brackets, and between them we place comma separated items. So second way to create arrays array literal. Okay. We use square brackets, and between them we place comma separated items. For example, var my r equals square brackets. Right now I have created an empty array. Into brackets, if I write the number 5, I have created an array with one item. Okay, if I want to create an array with 3 items, for example, var my array equals 100, comma, hello, as before on a previous example, and my car object. Now I have created an array object with 3 different data type values. Different. Okay. Now, how we get the array values and how we change them. Get array values and change them. The arrays are zero-based index, which means that we start counting the item positions from 0. For example, if I want to get the first value of my array 4, I'm gonna write console log my array 4 square bracket and 0. I get the value 120, and so on. Console log my array similarly 1, give us the value hello world. And now how I set values. My array or first position item, okay, I want to change it from 120 to do it, for example, a string with value high. Okay, high. I converted the first item from 120 to high. I can get it by the same way as before. So log my array for square brackets 0. Now return high. Okay. How we check if an object is array? There are 2 ways to do that. Check if an object is array. The first way is with the instance of. If my array 1 instance of array object. Okay, and my code here. And the second way is with the function isArray. If my array 1 is array, okay, parenthesis, my array 1, sorry, this is a method of the array object. Okay, so my code goes here. One last thing about the array basics that I'm gonna show you in this video is how we iterate through an array's item. I create a for loop here. I forgot to tell you that the number of the items that an array holds are stored into a property that it is called length. Okay, so length property holds the number of an array items. So into my for loop, I create a counter, a zero-based counter, okay, and as long as the counter is smaller than my array 1 dot length, I increase my counter, and into the body I display the item values. My array square bracket, and into here I write the index. Okay. Each time the index here shows the item from the array that we want to get. That's all from me for now. Please feel free to ask if you have any questions or if I haven't explained something so well. And until my next video, take care. Bye.